So here we are. It's currently Saturday, and we've been in line for 45 minutes to an hour. But at least being 2K, there's some cool stuff that drives by. But still, we've been here waiting forever. And so now I'm probably going to only be at the event for like an hour. It's good stuff. Like, there's some legitimately cool stuff driving by, so it's not that bad. But at the same time, it's kind of bad. What's up, guys? Cars Across Texas here, and we're back at Texas 2K once again. Today is probably going to be the shortest time I spend here. Got a late start, got stuff to do afterwards, of course. But I mean, there's some good stuff going on today. It's a lot of drag racing qualifications and other stuff like that, test and tune. So it'll be more of the same tomorrow. So I'll get the meat and potatoes of it all tomorrow, like I said. But I do see some cars over here in the spectator lot that are piquing my interest. I guess not spectator, it's like VIP, but anyways, I gotta check them out. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Leave me a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Comment what your favorite car in today's video is down in the comments below. Check shopcarsacrosstexas.com out. Enter the pup, get you 20% off, get you a shirt, jacket, hat, whatever. Let's get right to it. So we do have a couple of E92 3 Series BMWs, but these are not your typical E92 3 Series. This one has got like a full-on wide body kit with crazy aero pieces and everything. Got the twin turbo setup sticking out the hood, probably LS swapped, looks like, with the high ram and everything. You got the weld out back on a Hoosier with the big old wing. And then next, this guy, look at this setup. This is ridiculous, bro. He's got the bumper exit, the crazy colored turbo, the high ram with the tall deck. This thing is ridiculous, but so sick. You're gonna have to listen to some of the heavenly noises produced by some of these vehicles rolling around. Listen to all that turbo. To make it as sleek and aerodynamic as possible, they block off the grills on the GTR, just leaving two open holes for the turbos to suck in the earth around them. Team Insanity Racing, you have got yourself a pretty ridiculous build here. We got the Yoda Supra out here. The old and wise. No. Duh. We got the IROS Motorsports booth out here with all their stupid fast Audis, man. These things play no games, let me tell you. The IROS cars mean business. Even like the lower package ones, my buddy Steve's old car. Made like 650 wheel, but still rolled out. We have the Shop Houston over here bringing out their cars. Y'all boys have probably seen this car in some 1320 videos before. This thing is insane. The old Command Performance car, now a Command Performance slash the Shop Houston car. This thing is ridiculous. Good Lord. No longer stock turbo locations just because you can't fit those there. And I like the sticker. A for effort to make it look a little bit more like a street car. Perhaps my favorite car on the property, right there, the Calvo Motorsports ACR, the purple on purple, twin turbo, 2,000 horsepower Viper ACR. This thing is so sick. All of the Calvo builds are sick. You cannot go wrong with any of these cars. That's quite a bit of turbo attached to this 5.0. We're at the Jotech booth, testing the two-step out on the GTR. So we got the Jotech booth over here. They came down with 4 twin-turbo C8s from Dallas. This particular one, they're setting records out here with, or at least they're shooting for records. Got the rear-mounted twin-turbo kit. Got a little bit of giggle gas in the back over here, and this thing rolls out. They're shooting for an 8-second pass in a C8 Corvette. Previously, the clutches were slipping on this car, and they ran a like 932 or something like that, which is plenty impressive. I mean, it's just pistons and rods, stock block, twin turbos, nitrous, and the works. This thing is so sick. I like that GoPro mount too on the tow hook. Incredible. I know Allie's gonna like this one. We got the Hello Kitty GTR out here with the all the glitter gold piping, the holographic chrome stripe down the middle, more Hello Kitty decals. This is the wife of Jotech's car. And we got a bunch of other GTRs over here that they have built. Each and every single one of them is very fast. You can't go wrong. And then, of course, they got the 675 LT down there. All right, so here we got, what was your name again?
Jason with Jotech.
Jason with Jotech. We're going to do a little walkthrough on all the cars, right? I mean, break it down for me. What are we working with?
We got a handful of cars here brought with us. We obviously are known for GTRs. That's our bread and butter. Recently got into the C8 world. So on the GTR side, we have 2 cars competing in GTR 3, and we have 4 cars competing in GTR 2. With those classes to be on the lookout for, especially, we have Luna and the Hello Kitty GTR right here. This is a brand new build for this event specifically. That class is restricted by a 58mm turbo size. Funny story with this one, we kind of put it together last minute, and the first shakedown pass was in qualifying earlier today. We found another issue, it's been worked out. We're gonna make another qualifying pass. Her 60 foot though, we're in a 1:28, so she was pacing a 7-second run, which would have been probably one of the #1 qualifiers for that class. Another big one we're really excited for is Seth's C8 Corvette twin turbo from ETS, one of our partners. We do currently have the stock block world record on that one. We ran a 9.49 with the stock block at the Rocky Mountain race series, and then afterwards built the motor, had some trouble with the clutch. Fuel Tech and Anderson over there ended up taking the first into the 8s with the C8 platform. Big shout out to Anderson, that guy fucking earned it. We're chasing him down though in a friendly way, nice friendly rivalry. So he ran an 897 and the fully built unlimited C8 class. We are looking to push it a little bit further, and we might even spray a little nitrous off the line. We got a big bottle sitting in the back.
Hell yeah, that's what's up.
So definitely a big one to look out for. So as soon as you hear Exhibition come out, if you want to see that world record run, we're gonna drop the hammer and make it happen.
Let's do it.
Thanks for coming by, Drew.
Yes, sir. Good meeting you.
You as well.
Boys, we're going to get some racing in. Let's get this Supra. Oh, good Lord. All righty, we're getting some Supras running.
That's our last car here.
Bringing the action. You got some Fast Boy GTRs rolling up. This damn car right here is the reason why I'm deaf. R.I.P. the crazy GTR. This thing is fast. I want to see this thing make a pass because I'm very confident this is a 6-second capable car. .52 in the right lane at 202. They were skating too. Alrighty, we're finally resuming racing. Something happened, they resurfaced the track, lit it on fire a little bit down at the end. Alright, I'm about to get my ears decimated again. Jesus Christ. The dual hood exits on the GTR. Them boys are moving. 757 left lane, 751 in the right. 197 and 193. Damn.
With the TH400. So it's kind
an
of
R35
like
with a turbo 400?
American car.
That's kind of ridiculous. That's kind of weird, bro. Turbo 400 in a GTR? I mean, I'm sure it works. Hope they're telling him to stop. He got the flag on the back. Yes, sir.
Back it out. Back it out.
What happened? Something happened. They're backing it out. Oh, there's still stuff down there? Something happened with the Turbo 400 GTR. And he broke on the starting line. Leaked all over the starting line. What the heck, bro? The shop car is now disqualified because he has messed up the car on the, or messed up the track. These dang GTRs, bro, can't stay running. All right, because GTRs cannot seem to run reliably, we are about to have to leave without getting too many clips, but we still got some good runs, I think. I actually don't remember, the track's been down for so long. We do got a Viper and a 720 pulling up next, so I'm gonna get that because, as you boys know, these are like the two loves of my life in the car world. I believe that's the Vengeance Racing Viper too, so that thing is dummy fast. You ever want to see a McLaren do a burnout? Good Lord. Impressive. 157. The friggin' Viper backed off because I guess he was broken or some shit. I'm so frustrated, bro. I just waited for that. Okay, we got a couple cars coming though. TJ Hunt's C8 Corvette coming up, I think. I can't think of any other LMR wide body C8s with street hunters across the windshield. What the hell? This thing sounds crazy. He's in hovercraft mode out back. Those pops sounded crazy. 939 on the C8. 150. Is that an FRS Pro Mod? It's an FRS Pro Mod! What? Who the hell looks at an FRS and goes, yeah, I'm gonna build a Pro Mod off of this? Incredible, brother. They're just doing a 100-foot test on the FRS Pro Mod. It's so odd to see a big tire FRS. That's something I never thought I'd see in my life. A big tire FRS. Okay, oh yeah, we got some good stuff. Jotech's coming up in their C8 with a twin turbo setup, looking to set a world record here. The current world record, I believe you told me, is an 897 for the C8 Corvettes, done by Fuel Tech USA, and they're looking to go 880s. At 151, not quite. They'll get it this weekend though, I'm sure. We got the RS3 pulled over. And I guess that's gonna be all she wrote for me. Another breakdown. The IROS RS3 burning down over there. At 166, okay. We got the quickest and fastest Lamborghini pulling up now. Underground Racing recently took it away from AMS, and they're pulling up. Let's see if they can even push that record a little further. God damn. $746, $199. That's crazy. That car's got a lot more in it.
746 and 199.
Oh shit, I can't leave. Alright boys, that is going to be all for me today. The track this is going to be the shortest TX2K track video that I'm going to post because I got here so late, I had to wait so long. Tomorrow I'm going to try my very best to get here at like 9 in the morning or something and get everything for you guys, release like an hour-long video maybe for that. But hopefully you enjoyed today's short but sweet activities. We got a cool walk around of the C8 Corvette that they're hoping is going to be a world record holder soon. Also, that quickest and the fastest Lamborghini Huracan did a little test hit. They told him the track was a little damp, so he didn't put it all in there and it almost broke his own record. But we're heading out now. I got a lot of other stuff to do tonight. Yes, sir, what's going on? Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you next one. Peace.